Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. Well, we went into North Bay today and got a bunch of stuff actually. We ended up at Value Village, found another bookcase to put movies into. Now we just got to figure out where we're going to put the bookcase. But anyways, my little square video. I picked up this Garnet guitar, acoustic electric cutaway, which is kind of cool. Got it from Value Village. For like, well, the original asking price was $19.99, but we had a discount thing, so I actually only paid about 17 bucks for it, which was pretty good, considering the top is kind of pulling up a little bit, the bridge is pulling up, it's missing a string and one bridge pin, which no big deal. I got tons of bridge pins around. Looked like somebody had definitely tried to repair the neck on this thing. They've got, see if I can get you a close-up here. They've kind of butcher glued it with epoxy. I guess it's staying together. The strings are under tension, but I'm going to carve all that crap out of there anyways. But first thing I'm going to do to this thing is I'm going to humidify the living daylights out of it for probably a couple of weeks. I figure it's going to take, because that top is pretty bad. And if it does flatten back out and the bridge settles down, then at least I can pry back up on the bridge, re-glue it, and then hopefully it'll also straighten out the action that's 10 miles off the fretboard. Plus the neck does have a bit of an upward bow to it, so I can straighten that out too. Maybe make it playable again, because right now it's just definitely not playable. You don't find acoustic guitars too often in Value Village that are even reasonably priced, and usually the bodies are splitting apart, or somebody shoved their boot through one side of the body, and Value Village still usually wants like $35 and $70 and $90 and $100 for something in that kind of condition, which is absolutely ludicrous. My gosh. So this actually even came with a chrome stand, and you don't see these chrome metal stands anymore. Usually you see like black profile stands, no name stands that are like, you know, 10 bucks, 15 bucks brand new, and these chrome metal stands are pretty heavy duty, good longevity on them, and really quality built. So the stand did come with it for the $17. What impressed me even more so was the tuners. These are like the tuners I really despise a lot, but these have the keys that can actually adjust to bring some tension back up, which was kind of impressive. I thought, okay, you know, sure, maybe they're usable, we'll see. But worst comes to worst, if I can't get this thing fixable and playable again, I will have a good nut, a good saddle, couple of good pins, definitely the electronics. This is the electronics that's in it. We found out that you can get this exact same pickup with the jack and the actual pickup that goes under the saddle and everything. You can get the whole kit from wish.com for about $10 plus $7 shipping. Or GearBest had it for, what was it, about 10 or 15 bucks plus shipping. For the exact same kit, same part number and everything on the pickup. It's like, hey, that's pretty cool. So it has bass, mid, treble, presence, battery check, indicator for low battery, of course your volume or gain control. But you know, I mean, I bought it mainly for the pickup system. I figured, well, you know, it might come in handy, and also, if I can't get it to work, I do have a couple of old vintage Kent guitars sitting in my closet right now that are going to need some parts. And this is a good way to get those parts that I require too, to get them back up and running, because once they are, and they're all fixed, I'm going to sell them. Because the Kent guitars apparently are worth quite a bit of money. So I figure, well, you never know what could happen here. Whoever last owned this guitar had a thing for wanting to poke their eyes out and people's eyes around them, because, yeah, that's disgusting. I really hate it when I see guitars like that. Plus they wound these strings on this side on the outside instead of on the inside. So I imagine they did the same thing with their high E string, same way. Amazingly enough, for the fretboard is in amazing condition, even the frets. It's like this thing was barely even ever played, like you wouldn't even know from any kind of fret wear. So that was quite surprising too. But yeah, for 17 bucks with stand, and there are a lot of good quality usable parts on this thing, I would say I got a pretty darn good deal there. But I can't find anything out about Garnet guitars really, especially this one. I even checked the exact model number. It doesn't come up anywhere on Google searches, nowhere. Find Garnet amps left, right, and center. You can find other Garnet guitars, but this model, it's like it never existed or something. I have no idea. But anyways, if you know anything about this guitar, definitely do let me know. If I can't fix it, of course, I'm going to strip the good parts, and then the rest of it's going to probably go into the next bonfire we have. It'll be kind of nice to watch it burn. Maybe I'll have to shoot a video of doing that if I end up doing that with this thing. But anyways, in the meantime, thanks for watching, guys, and hey, we'll catch you on the next one. See ya.